Hey guys, in the previous video, we learned about how we can plot a scatter plot by using Matplotlib. So in this video, I will show you how you can plot a hist plot by using Matplotlib. So what is actually a hist plot? So hist plot actually is a categorized plot, like suppose you have 20 people's age and you want to see at a random range how many what kind of age they have. Suppose you want to see that from 18 to 24 how many people have in this age range. So how we can do that? First you need to import a library called matplotlib.pyplot as plt. So you can access this library by plt. So then you need a list which I declare as data, and there are 20 people's age. So now if I want to make a hist plot by using this, then you need to write plt.hist. Then you need to write data on which list do you want to apply this plot. So then you need to select the bins. Bins means how many columns do you want. Suppose I want 4 columns, and if you run it, then you will see the hist plot of this data range. So you can see that on the 12 to 15 age there are two person. On 15 to 18 there are 6 persons. So that's what the hist plot describes. So you can now add more functionality to this graph. Suppose if you want to change the color, you can do it. So if you want to change the color into a sky blue, so it's actual blue. So if you want to change it to the sky blue, then it will change into a sky blue color. And if you also want to add a edge color, suppose if you want to give the edge color is black, then it will turn the black edges of this hist plot. You can see in the graph. So that's the basic functionality. And also you can add a label on this graph, which is what the graph describes, okay, or what the plot describes us. So I write it that age by person, age range of person. So that's the label. And now we need to give a title, because if we don't give title to this graph, so that won't be readable to any of the people. So I give the title is histogram example. So the title is histogram example. Then I need to give x label and y label also, means what the x label describes and what the y label describes. So in the x label, that is the value or age. Then on the y label, it will be how many persons. So you can write it there, the number of person, numbers of person. So that's the x label and y label. So if you run it again, you can see that on the x-axis there is age, and on the y-axis there is number of person. And if you want to add this label into the graph, then you need to write plt.legend. If you write plt.legend, then you will see the legend on the graph, that age range of person is the upper right corner of the graph. So you can also change the label position from the 4 different position, like upper right, upper left, or lower right and lower left. Okay, so we have a space in just only upper right and lower right, so that's why it's by default lower upper right, because upper right has most of the spaces. So that's the basic functionality. You can do it the hist plot. So if you want more videos like this, do let me know in comment section.